Stop scrolling! You won't believe how good this is! It's been trending for weeks and the reviews are insane. People love how easy it is to use, how good it feels, and how reliable it's been. I didn't expect it to work this well, but honestly, it's solid. Hit the link below and grab yours. People are loving this thing right now.
Wait a second, this one caught me off guard. It's actually that good. I didn't think it'd be this good, but the moment I used it, I got it. It's got that perfect mix of style and function. And no wonder it's all over the internet. Seriously, go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hey, you've probably seen this all over your feed, but let me tell you why it's worth it. I tried it because everyone kept talking about it, and wow, it actually lives up to the hype. It's simple, practical, and feels like something twice its price. If you're curious, check the link in the description. You'll see why everyone's talking about it.
Wait, before you scroll, this product's blowing up right now. People can't stop leaving good reviews for this one, and now